it?
Oh, no, there was so much information. There was a lot. Obviously, Joe seems to know his stuff like the back of his hand.
Took the time, very one-on-one. He went over and beyond with a lot of it. You get a lot of attention personally at, helping you and answering those questions.
Any question anyone had, he had an answer for. Lots of little tips and tricks and things in there that I didn't even know Lightburn could do. So that was fun to kind of see and find out and take notes on.
I've been using Lightburn for about 2 years now, and I learned so many things that I had no idea. We were able to come out and see the machine, and you're so close to it. So I was super excited about that. I'm a very one-on-one. I want to see it and touch it. I definitely recommend it for everyone.
This was great. This was really great. It was totally worth it.